Hello everybody, this is GSJ, and I'm making a short little video about a product that I installed on my bike, the VFR. There's my other beauty right over there, the Concourse. So anyways, I installed a brake flashing module right in here called the Back Off. It's the Signal Dynamics Back Off XP, and I just installed it directly onto my wiring for my taillight on the VFR, and pretty happy with it. Where that little tools go, and I'll just like to make a little demo for you. Let me put back the seat on. Just kind of wanted to show you the general place where I installed it. And let's get the seat back on. Okay, let's turn on the bike. Okay, so VFR is on, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the flash module now. 1 second.